Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews Now 2, and on today's video we'll be taking a look at a weird glitch in Adobe Premiere where some people are experiencing the same as I did in this particular video, where the sound is basically dropping out in particular places. So if I press play now, this is a video which I made a little while back. Considerably more money on a proper ergonomic chair. And there should be audio coming through at the moment. It isn't an ergonomic chair, so before anyone points out in the comment section below, yeah, I know it isn't. I was told by one of our viewers who had early access to the video considerably more money on a proper ergonomic chair. So anyway, that is the problem. So the video basically renders out normally and uploads, etc., but then the audio is missing. It comes back in a little bit later on. I won't bother showing you that. If we go over to our Adobe Premiere now. So in Adobe Premiere, normally what you'll find is when you're actually exporting a video, especially it seems to be with 4K footage, when you've got 4K footage on your timeline. So you'll go over and you'll go File, Export, Media, and you'll choose your settings. Now as you can see, my preset at the moment I've got set to MUB CBR 4K, which will probably give you an idea of what the problem is, and it is basically down to the way the bitrate is handled. So normally if you set it to, say for YouTube 4K, so say that one there, and this will change all the settings, so you've got the widths and all that. As you scroll down through, you'll see we're set here to the bitrate encoding, which is VBR1 pass. Now this appears to be where the problem lies. Something to do with the way the variable rate data works in conjunction with the 4K stream with the current version of Adobe Premiere. It enhances the likelihood of having an audio problem. At least that's what it seems like. All the other settings I've got are normal. The audio is AAC as it normally is, etc. All the kind of YouTube formats which you'd expect. But yeah, for some reason it just doesn't like VBR1 pass. So I tried various different things, re-rendered it, and it was okay. Then I did another video and I had another audio dropout. So basically all I did was just testing a few things out, and I thought, well, let's try a constant bitrate, and I set it to 50. Hit enter. File size is very slightly larger, but not a great deal. Also use maximum render quality, and that is basically how I've set it. So all I'll do now is save that, and you can save this as MUB 4K. You get the general idea. So you can set your preset, then every time you try and render out, if you choose that, it will be absolutely fine. But yeah, that is essentially where the issue is. Doesn't appear to take any longer, and the file quality, if anything actually, the file quality does appear to be slightly better with a constant bitrate than it does with a variable bitrate. Your mileage may differ, but hopefully for some of you which are experiencing the same problems as I was, this is going to be really helpful for you and allow you to render your footage with confidence and with the audio actually working and not having to go in and actually check each piece of footage through minute by minute, second by second. So yeah, hopefully this helps. If it does, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified of future video content.